Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. A for apple. A for apple.
A for armadillo. A for armadillo.
B for beetle. B for beetle.
B for butterfly. B for butterfly.
C for crow. C for crow.
C for car. C for car.
D for dolphin. D for dolphin.
D for duck. D for duck.
E for engine. E for engine.
E for eagle. E for eagle.
F for fan. F for fan.
F for fairy. F for fairy.
G for garlic. G for garlic.
G for goat. G for goat.
H for hat. H for hat.
H for housefly. H for housefly.
I for ice cream. I for ice cream.
I for iron. I for iron.
J for jar. J for jar.
J for jacket. J for jacket.
K for kingfisher. K for kingfisher.
K for kiwi. K for kiwi.
L for lobster. L for lobster.
L for leaf. L for leaf.
M for mug. M for mug.
M for motorbike. M for motorbike.
N for nail. N for nail.
N for nuts. N for nuts.
O for owl. O for owl.
O for olive. O for olive.
P for pomegranate. P for pomegranate.
P for papaya. P for papaya.
Q for quiver. Q for quiver.
Q for quilt. Q for quilt.
R for ruler. R for ruler.
R for rabbit. R for rabbit.
S for submarine. S for submarine.
S for stairs. S for stairs.
T for tomato. T for tomato.
T for tiger. T for tiger.
U for umbrella. U for umbrella.
U for university. U for university.
V for violin. V for violin.
V for vest. V for vest.
W for wheelchair. W for wheelchair.
W for whistle. W for whistle.
X for X-ray fish. X for X-ray fish.
X for ox. X for ox.
Y for yoga. Y for yoga.
Y for yellow fish. Y for yellow fish.
Z for zucchini. Z for zucchini.
Z for zebra crossing. Z for zebra crossing.